Hi, my name is Dr. Amy Abelar and I am with Acupuncture Practice Systems. And this video is about why growing your clinic sometimes feels inconsistent. If you are running a multi-provider acupuncture clinic and it feels like you're constantly swinging back and forth between not having enough staff to not having enough patients and back again, you are not really doing anything wrong. You're just stuck in something that I like to call the scaling loop. How it works is your clinic gets busy, your providers are fully booked, and so you end up hiring more staff. Now you have open spaces in your schedules and you shift into marketing and bringing in more patients, and then all of a sudden your schedules are full again. Now you have to hire again. Most clinic owners are thinking that this means something is unstable because you always have a problem to solve, either not enough staff or not enough clients. And it doesn't mean that it's unstable. This is exactly what scaling a multi-provider practice actually looks like. And the problem is not the loop, it's knowing where you are in the loop that is important, because not knowing where you are in the loop is what the big problem is. Each phase is going to require a completely different focus. So as an example, if your providers are maxed out and you need to hire, this is definitely not the time to be spending on ads or pushing really heavy marketing because you can't accommodate new patients anyways. It's wasted time and it's wasted money. Instead, your focus with your money and your time should be on hiring, onboarding, preparing your next provider. And then once you have availability, now you shift into filling those schedules. Once you understand the scaling loop, you can stop reacting to your business and start managing it more intentionally. This and so much more is the type of content that I break down inside Acupuncture Practice Systems, especially at the clinic architect level. I don't just explain the concept, I will actually give you a very clear framework for exactly what phase you're in, where you should be focusing on in that phase, and how to execute it step by step. So that way you're not guessing, overcorrecting, or wasting time and money in the wrong areas at the wrong time. Instead, you're going to be moving through the scaling loop efficiently and actually capitalizing on the growth when it's happening. So if you're ready to scale your clinic with more clarity and less trial and error, you can join my membership by clicking the link in the description, and I hope to see you there.